Hi, this is Micah with WTI, and this is my copy of the Moosewood Cookbook by Mollie Katzen. So Mollie Katzen was one of the first authors to start writing all vegetarian recipe cookbooks, which was unique at that time. So this has become a very well-respected book among vegetarian cooks. And what I like about it is the diversity. It's packed with recipes from around the world. And I also like, if I can open up here and show you an example, that the recipes are laid out in a very easy to follow way. And it's usually just takes up one page. So while you're cooking, you don't need to worry about fumbling around in the book while you have stuff all over your hands. And I also like the artwork is pretty cool. Kind of shows you the author's personality interspersed in the recipes. So this is a must-have for anyone who's getting into vegetarian cooking, and that's my point of view.